establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars of color and creed, for the proper understanding of the sanctity of human personality and dignity of labor, so that all individuals, all families, and all nations may live in amity and fellowship.
Thank you. Immediate translation to Sunil Kumar. And now I request Past District Governor K.S. Shashi Kumar, Vice Governor K.S. Shashi Kumar to deliver the welcome address. Shashi Kumar, PDG Shashi Kumar. PDG Shashi Kumar.
Okay, right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I start?
Yes, sir.
President of Rotary Club of Koilan West, Rotarian Biju Bashir, Honorable Chief Guest RI Director nominee A.S. Venkatesh, beloved District Governor Rotarian Shirish Kesavan, District Governor-elect Dr. Thomas Bhavani Kundan, District Governor nominee K. Srinivasan, District Governor nominee designate K. Babumohan, Associate Governor Sri Kumar, Assistant Governor Muhammad Asim, District Chairman Membership Dr. Jagan Mohan, Chairman-elect Manikandan Nair, today's distinguished Chief Guest and new member Sri Vinod Tara Singh, other distinguished guests of the day, members of Rotary Club of Koilan West, district officials designate, dear friends in Rotary. A very good evening to all. Hope you all are in good health and safe in your home. I am entrusted with the task of welcoming you all to this unique program of induction of new member to our club and to the Rotary fraternity. This is for the second time in our district that an induction ceremony is conducted through Zoom meeting, fully obeying the instructions given by both central and state government. While inaugurating our pets last week, our RI Director nominee A.S. Venkatesh has said that
not getting sound. Shashira audio, boy. Shashira audio.
okay.
Yes, sir. Continue.
While inaugurating pets last week, our director nominee A.S. Venkatesh has said that almost all online meetings have become the order of the day. Many Rotary leaders said that in this pandemic condition, Rotary and the world is facing several challenges. But according to our RI Director nominee Venkatesh Ji, by citing some instances, has told us that these are not challenges, but these are our opportunities, and we must make use of these opportunities. With the inspiration of RI Director nominee, we also have decided to conduct induction ceremony in this unique way during the year of Rotary Connects the World. Whenever I take part in meetings or new member orientation meetings, I used to remind that joining Rotary opens us many opportunities like serving communities in and around the world, developing leadership qualities, etc., etc. Of our President Biju Bashir, we have done six Zoom meetings and also plenty of projects during this lockdown period. OIS to note that a good number of Rotarians came forward by donating and also publicizing and participating in these projects. Congrats to all Rotarians of our club. One of the projects we have done this lockdown period have been made as a status in the WhatsApp of our Secretary Rotarian Sandosh. By seeing this status in the WhatsApp, one of his friends, who is an officer in Statistics Department of Government of Kerala, called him. Government of India called him and inquired about the project. Secretary Santosh has given a brief description of the programs of Rotary. Inspiration, he expressed his desire and willingness to join Rotary. Our Secretary Santosh placed his biodata before the club board and general body, which were also done through the Zoom, and the club unanimously approved the new membership proposed by Rotarian Santosh. Today we are inducting Sri Vinod Tara Singh as our member here with us. Now I proceed to the pleasant duty of welcoming you all to this unique program. RI Director nominee A.S. Venkatesh is a close friend of mine for District 8211, and he is a permanent faculty for many international trainings He is a great source of inspiration for all Rotarians. When I was the governor during 2014-15, he was our chief guest for the literacy seminar conducted at Kollam. On behalf of all of you, I extend a hearty welcome to RA Direct nominee A.S. Venkatesh G. We have with us our torchbearer District Governor Shirish Keshavan. This year, under the leadership of Governor Shirish Keshavan, district has done many projects and programs. In this pandemic condition also, he has done many Zoom meetings and encouraged assistant governors, president and members of clubs to do the projects suitable for the present conditions. He is now in the process of donating ventilators to 5 medical colleges through Global Grant Project. I wish all success for his projects, and on behalf of all present, I extend hearty welcome to our district governor. We have with us future leaders, District Governor Dr. Thomas Vavanikundan, who is going to write a new history for the district during 2021. District Governor nominee Dr. K. Srinivasan, who is from our own club, and District Governor nominee designate K. Babu Mohan. I wish all success for them in the coming years and welcome District Governor elect Vavanikundan, District Governor nominee Srinivasan, and DGND Babu Mohan. We have with us our Assistant Governor Mohammad Asim, who is always supporting us in all our programs. I welcome Assistant Governor Mohammad Asim. I extend a welcome to District Chairman Membership Dr. Jagan Mohan, District Chairman Dr. Manikandan Nair. I also extend hearty welcome to Associate Governor R. Srikumar, other Assistant Governors, members of District Secretariat, Rotary leaders, and secretaries of other clubs, and all Rotarians. Welcome all other incumbent district leaders meeting. I also take this opportunity to welcome new members Sri Vinod Dara Singh. As demanded by formality, I extend warm welcome to President Biju Bashir, Secretary Santosh, Club Membership Chair Leela Krishnan, President-elect Rajapati Kannan, President nominee Ram Kumar, and all members and families of Rotary Club of Koilan West. You all a very, very happy Ramzan. Stay safe. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice Governor B.D. Shashi Kumar. Thank you for your welcome address. Now I request President Rotarian Biju Bashir to deliver the presidential address.
Speaker video.
Biju, 1 second. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Respected RA Director nominee, Rotary A.S. Venkatesh G, Rotarian District Governor Shirish Keshavan, PDG K.S. Shashkumar, DGE Vavanikundan, DGN Srinivasan, DGND Babu Mohan, AG Azim, our club secretary Santosh, District membership chairman Dr. Jagan, club membership chairman Leela Krishnan, and fellow Rotarians, invited guests, all are. One more, I welcome all the Rotarians. I am proud to be a Rotarian. I am most honored and humbled to be the president of Rotary Club of Koilan West. We are very much grateful and happy to have RA nominee as our chief guest, who have taken the initiative to attend this meeting besides being so busy, and also great thanks to our DG Shirish Keshavan, and very much thanks to our PDG K. Shashkumar and our DG N. Srinivasan. Our club has built on a strong leadership foundation. I find it very fortunate to admit a new member to our club, and proud to announce that our club is second in district to get a new member through Zoom during this quarantine. I would also like to thank all the fellow members of our club who had supported me in induction of new members. Let's lead the way of as Rotary shares. It's service about self. Share the magic. Thank you all.
Thank you, President Rotarian Biju Bashir, for the presidential address. Now I request Honorable District Governor, Rotarian Shirish Keshavan, to deliver the inaugural address. Rotarian Shirish Keshavan with the inaugural address.
President of Rotary Club of Koilon West, Rotary Biju Bashir. Chief guest of this induction meeting, Rotary International Director-elect A.S. Venkatesh Ji, past District Governor K. Shashikumar, District Governor nominee K. Srinivasan, District Chief Facilitator, Rotary past President S. Leela Krishnan, Secretary Santosh Kumar, friends in Rotary and family members. At the outset, I congratulate President Biju Bashir and Team Koilon West for organizing the second virtual induction meeting in our district, next only to Club Kazhakoottam. I also take this opportunity to congratulate Santosh Kumar, Secretary, for being the proposer of the new member. I understand that your club is inducting the 4th new member during this year. It gives me pleasure that the charismatic and effervescent Rotary International Director-elect is attending this meeting. I am sure the participants of this meeting is going to be benefited greatly from the insights he is going to share with us. Hearty welcome, Venkatji, to our district. It was my pet dream to increase the membership strength to 6,500 and make our district the biggest in India in terms of membership. But unfortunately, the COVID-19 pandemic had poured cold water in our effort to a certain extent. You have got 40 more days to complete the target, and a club of your status, stature, and pedigree to achieve the target and be a role model to other clubs in our district. I hope and trust that you will take up the challenge in the right earnest in spite of the COVID challenge. I have no hesitation to say that Rotary Club of Koilon West is one of the very best club in our district. By doing innumerable community service projects, helping Rotary Foundation in a better way, and developing leaders above club level. Your rich tradition and impeccable reputation deserves all our special appreciation. And also the torchbearers team of this year are doing their best to maintain and enhance the reputation of your club. I hail and acknowledge the efforts put in by all the presidents and secretaries past and present for your enthusiasm and encouragement. With these words, I declare this meeting inaugurated. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable District Governor Rotarian Shirish Keshavan. Now I request Club Secretary Rotarian Santosh Kumar to give a brief introduction of the new member. Club Secretary Rotarian Santosh Kumar will be giving a brief introduction of the new member.
Good evening, honorable guest, Rotary leaders and my dear fellow Rotarians. Rotary Club of Koilon West, it is a great privilege for me to introduce Mr. Vinod Tara Singh. He was born in 1970 at Kollam to V. Taranath and V. Sumati. He did schooling at HSS Mayanad and took a graduation in economics from the prestigious SN College, Kollam.
He completed his post-graduation MBA Marketing and Information System from TKM College of Engineering, Kollam. He is now working as a Senior Statistics Officer in National Statistics Office, Kollam, as a central government employee. He is married to Raki J. Babu, working as a lecturer in the School of Medical Education, Kottayam, and blessed with one daughter, Vaishnav Lakshmi, studying in 4th standard at Chinmay Vidyalaya. Thank you.
Thank you, Club Secretary Rotarian Santosh Kumar, for the introduction of the new member. Now I request District Governor nominee Rotarian K. Srinivasan to give a brief introduction of the chief guest, today's chief guest, RI Director nominee A.S. Venkatesh. Rotarian DGN Srinivasan. Srinivasan sir, your bandwidth is very low. I cannot unmute you. Srinivasan sir, your bandwidth is very low.
Now, how is my audio? How?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, it is audible now. It is audible.
Yes,
You can speak up.
Audible.
Yeah, you can speak
Okay.
up. Yeah.
Okay. Friends, due to limited time, straight away moving into introduction of our distinguished chief guest, RI Director nominee, Rotarian A.S. Venkatesh, fondly known as Vengi before you. An engineer graduate from the prestigious IIT Madras, Rotarian Venkatesh did his post-graduation in business administration.
DGN Srinivasan is just. PDG Shashikumar, can I just go with the chief guest because Srinivasan? Yes.
Hello, audible?
Yeah, continue, sir. Continue.
A member of Rotary Club of Chennai Mambalam. He was its president in the year 2001-2 and the youngest district governor of RA District 3230 in 2007-2008. He was Rotary coordinator for the period 2010-2013 for Zone 5, covering South India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. He has been a trainer for all DGEs at International Assembly at San Diego for 2 years, as well as a trainer for all coordinators from around the world at Chicago for 3 years, 2014-2017. He has addressed over 50 pets and several district assemblies and conferences, besides being a representative at 6 conferences both in India and overseas. He is a level 3 major donor to the Rotary Foundation with a personal contribution of over $50,000, and all his family members are Paul Harris Fellow. Rotarian Venkatesh has attended over 10 international conventions. He was Joint Secretary and National Executive Committee member, Rotary India Literacy. He was also chair for South Asian Reception at Montreal Convention and at Seoul Convention. He represented District 3230 in Council on Legislation, Seoul 2016. He has been elected Rotary International Director for the period 2021-23. He is a keen bridge player and loves traveling. He is married to Vinita, also an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad. The couple have 2 daughters. With these few words, very proudly, I introduce our chief guest, RA Director nominee Rotarian A.S. Venkatesh before you. Thank you.
Thank you, District Governor nominee Rotarian K. Srinivasan, for the brief introduction of the chief guest. Now I request RA Director nominee Rotarian A.S. Venkatesh to give us address.
Srini, for those kind words of introduction. First, let me tell you, the internet connectivity, the bandwidth is a bit bad today. I don't know if I ever lose connection, I'll again bounce back. Don't have some patience. And if I'm not audible at any point in time, please alert me on the chat box.
I'll inform you. Please go ahead.
Okay. Thanks. First, let me thank past Governor Sashi, my good friend, also a member of your club. He had invited me to be a part of this, and I felt very privileged.
So your audio is just breaking, sir.
It's
Yes, sir.
occasion where am I audible?
Yeah, audible, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I switched off the video just to make sure that I'm audible.
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Shashi, for inviting me to Quailon West, and I find it I deem it an honor to be here. So I've also got a few other people to comment. First, of course, is the current governor, Sirish. In fact, my interaction with Sirish was in Quailon when he was heading.
Raja, please alert him.
Sir, I still have a problem with your audio, sir. Sir, I still have a problem with your audio.
Yeah, I'm trying to tether onto my phone. Let me see. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, right now it's clear, sir.
Yeah, okay. I've kept two connections open. Let me see. If one goes, other will connect automatically.
Yeah, I think with you, you can start your video also, sir. This connection is very clear.
Okay. Should I take a
Like
chance?
to see you. Would like to see you as well, sir.
Okay. I'm taking a chance with the connectivity. Let me see. Okay. So I remember meeting Sirish in 2014 in Quailon. In Kolam, when I had come for the literacy meeting, and I knew that he was going to be a governor sooner or later. Such was his dedication, and what a tremendous work Sirish has done this year. Hats off to you, Sirish, for the kind of amazing work you have carried out, and not unfazed by the pandemic and the emergency and the challenges posed in the last couple of months. 3211 has really risen up to the challenge. The kind of service projects and COVID-related relief work. Fantastic. I must hats off to everyone in 3211 who have managed to really come up trumps in this challenging times. Also nice to see the future governors of this district. Thomas, of course, Dr. Thomas is here, and Srini, a member of Quailon West, and Babu Mohan. So nice to see all of them, and the kind of continuity which this district demonstrates is something that we can be justifiably be proud of. Great work and great, you're setting an example to the rest of the Rotary world, the way a district has to function. And of course, Quailon West is a prestigious club, ably guided by past Governor Shashi. I'm sure you will set a trend for others to follow. The secretary of the club, Santosh, hats off to you. I should commend you for the new member that you have brought into Rotary. And congratulations to the new member Vinod as well for making a choice. So now, why am I using the word making a choice? So all of us have at different points in time are faced with multiple choices. In this instance, for example, Vinod had a choice of saying yes to joining Rotary or no to joining Rotary. He had a choice, and he has consciously chosen to say yes. So much so that he has, I understand, he has voluntarily contacted Santosh and said, "I would like to be a part of Rotary." Thanks to Santosh's WhatsApp status. So it is a choice that he has made. Now, coming to the club, when Vinod had expressed his willingness to join or desire to join, the club also did the right thing of circulating his biodata and putting it across to the members for their opinions. And again, every member had a choice of saying, no, we don't want this person or we want this person. So you have unanimously expressed or made a choice of saying yes to Vinod's application to join Rotary. So at every stage in this process, if you see, all of us have had a choice of saying yes or saying no. And we have consciously made a choice to say yes. Now, Quailon West is not only setting records by having a virtual induction. I must say you are setting an example to several other clubs. The way Shashi, the past Governor Shashi, explained that moment a person indicated his desire to join Rotary, his biodata was circulated and then was approved. Propose his name.
No problem.
Sir, can you just switch off the video, sir? Your audio is breaking. Can you just switch off the video, sir? Sir, am I audible to you? Sir, can you switch off your video and access with your audio, sir, please? Sir? So is it clear? Am I hearing to you? Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. Please, please.
Yeah, I think somewhere along the way I got lost. Sustainable membership growth is what we are all, which Quorum West has followed. By going through the process, you are ensuring sustainable membership growth. So again, congratulations to Quorum West for doing this. Now, I have something to say to the new member, Vinod. As I said earlier, he has made a choice. Now, what do I expect out of Rotary? If I were to be a new member, first I will ask two questions, sir. If I'm in Vinod's place when I joined Rotary, I remember when I was asked to join Rotary, I was invited to join Rotary several years ago, 25 years ago. I remember asking two questions to my club's then president, who had come to my house to invite me. So,
Sir, I think you better switch off the video, sir, because the bandwidth is getting lost in between. Your signal is getting lost.
I would suggest that Vinod also asks the same questions. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Am I audible? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I remember asking two questions to my president when I was invited to join Rotary, and I would suggest that the new member who has been inducted today also asks the same two questions. One, what should I do if I join Rotary? That is the first question. So which means the answer when I ask this question.
I answer. Shall I answer, sir? Okay, the main thing which I was attracted to the Rotary Club is service. Nothing but service. Because I am in touch with
Sir, Venkatesh sir, your voice is again getting cut. It is not clear to us. You are not audible, sir. Venkatesh sir, it's not audible to us.
Now?
Yeah. Okay, shall I continue,
okay.
sir?
Yeah, yes, Vinod, please continue. Yeah.
Okay. So, I was in touch with Rotary Club through my maternal uncle, Mr. Waman. He was late Mr. Waman. So, I was knowing about the Rotary Club from 1975. I was born in 1970. And what I got attracted was he was a stupendous businessman. How to become a stupendous businessman and how to become a successful person in their life is something very big. And he has been in Rotary Club for a long time. And he is one of the best person which I have ever seen in my life. Because he had got that much of connection with the professionals, business professionals, consultants, and all sorts of people on the various walks of life. So I was very much attracted to the Rotary Club from the 1990s onwards. And now, what intended to join this club, because my close friend, Mr. Santosh, he told me, would you like to join with the Rotary Club and do some service? I have been longing to be in the Rotary Club for a long time. That's what I joined.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Really nice to hear your connection. It's a long-standing connection. I'm really happy to know that it's a long connection. And finally, that you actually joined Rotary after all these years. I'm really happy to know that. This was what.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is something that I was told. And second question I asked. Now I'm coming to the second question. I asked them. I said, "What will Rotary do to me?" My second question is, "What will Rotary do to me?" If I join Rotary, you have told me what I do for Rotary. Second question I asked was, "What will Rotary do to me? How will I benefit from Rotary?" This was the question I asked. Am I audible?
Oh, yeah, I got it. Because I'll get a lot of friends. Friendship there is something spiritual in the friendship. And I am in touch with a lot of professionals. That's what I would like to.
Good, wonderful. You've got both answers right. So wonderful. So it's a two-way process. What we give to Rotary and what Rotary gives to us. Both are relevant. And in fact, I can tell you, Rotary actually gives back a lot more to us in terms of friendship, in terms of self-improvement, in terms of leadership skills, in terms of public speaking skills. There is so much that we get back from Rotary, and we do service to the community, which also gives us satisfaction. So it's a two-way process, what we do and what we get. However, there's only one thing that I want to emphasize on. Any member who is joining Rotary, I will tell them, Rotary does not give anything to you unless you get involved. It will give you as much as you give. It will give you back in return as much as you give.
Your audio is again missing, sir.
At the end of 2 lakh from Rotary. Yeah, I saw that. Now?
Yes, sir.
Now?
Yeah.
No? Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can.
I'm really, my apologies about these technological challenges that we are facing today. It's a two-way process, and the extent to which you gain from Rotary depends on the extent to which you get involved in Rotary. So unless you get involved, you are not going to get anything out of Rotary. You will have to be actually involved, understand what is going on, offer your services as a volunteer. The moment you offer your services, you will learn much more, gain much more. Because the basic tenet of Rotary is such that if you don't do anything, you don't ask any questions, nobody's going to ask you any questions. They'll let you be. You can continue to be a member doing anything also, as long as you pay the subscription. Is going to disturb you, but you will be the loser. You will not gain anything out of it. For you to gain anything out of it, you will have to get involved.
Yeah.
Vinod, come, let's do something. They might say, okay, as long as you pay subscription, you'll continue to be a member of Koilan West. Koilan West will be a member. But then you are wasting your time and money.
Sir, audio is again missing, sir. Sir, your audio, video, everything is missing, sir. We cannot see you, we cannot hear you, sir. Venkatesh, sir, your audio, video, everything is missing. Any alternate device to join, sir? Venkatesh, sir? Venkatesh, sir? Sir, do you have any other alternate device to join the meeting apart from what you're taking it right now? We cannot hear you. 1 second, sir. 1 second, I'll mute you. I cannot unmute you. Sir, can you rejoin the meeting? Yes.
Information traffic.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think with this challenge, let me finish quickly before I get disconnected again.
fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Second thing I wanted to suggest is this membership in Rotary is like a arranged marriage in our traditional Hindu system, Indian system. It's like a arranged marriage, which means that there'll be one mother-in-law also in the house, there'll be one sister-in-law also in the house that you will have to face. So, the success of the marriage depends on how well you can cope with this in the initial stages. After 1 or 2 years, everybody becomes family, everybody will love you so much. New daughter-in-law goes to a house, the kind of issue that there will be, because you are seeing a lot of new people. Everybody is different in their own way. So
Sir, again, last.
yeah. So there'll be a bit of challenge in getting adjusted to this new environment with new friends, etc. It's a new household that you are entering after marriage. So my request to you is, we have some patience. Daughter-in-law, when she gets into a new house, the way she puts up with a bit of inconvenience to start with, and may have which months for. Yeah. So once again, Vinod, welcome to Rotary. You will have a great time. Have some patience. You will get back as much as you put inside Rotary. You'll get back much more than what you put inside Rotary. Welcome to Rotary. Enjoy your time with Koilawan West. You have made a great decision to join a great club. It's not only Rotary per se, but even the kind of club that you have chosen to join. That is Koilawan West. It's one of the amazing clubs. So welcome. Hope you have an enjoyable tenure in Rotary. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, RE Director Nominee Rotarian A.S. Venkatesh, for the address and for installing our new member. And now I request past District Governor and also the Vice Governor, PDG Shashi Kumar, to adorn the new member with the pin on behalf of our Chief Guest, A.S. Venkatesh. Now PDG Shashi Kumar will adorn the new member with the Rotary pin. The great occasion.
With your permission.
Yes, please, Shashi, please.
Adorn the pin to the new member.
It's a privilege for Vinod to be pinned by you, Shashi. It's a privilege.
Yeah.
It's a privilege for Vinod to be pinned by you.
Yeah, sir.
And now the Rotarian President Bashir, Biju Bashir.
Everybody's.
Yes, you are visible and audible, Shashi sir.
I am also adorning a sponsor pin to Rotarian Secretary Sandosh also.
Yeah, please. Thank you, PDG Shashi Kumar.
Then our President will adorn a Ponnada to the new member, Rotarian.
Thank you, Rotarian Biju Bashir, for adorning the new member with the Ponnada. Thank you, Rotarian Biju Bashir. Thank you, new member Vinod. Thank you, PDG Shashi Kumar. And now back to the Chief Guest. He's visible and audible now. Sir, please go ahead with a few words. You are visible and audible now.
I don't know how long I'll continue to be visible and audible, but let me make the most of the time that I have. Welcome to Rotary, Vinod. You have made a wonderful choice of the club and the organization to be a part of. So,
Sir, we just lost you again midway. I'm really sorry. We are sad.
Welcome. You fulfill your. Anyway, go ahead, Jojo. I think it's okay.
Thank you. Thank you, RA Director Nominee Rotarian A.S. Venkatesh. It has been a great honor to us. Thank you very much. And now, moving on.
Thank you, Venkatesh, for your kind presence and your speech.
I'm sorry about this technology. Hope it will be better the next time. I'm sorry.
Thank you,
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now, moving on to the felicitations. I have District Governor-elect Rotarian Thomas Bhavani Kundal to come first. DG Rotarian Thomas Bhavani Kundal.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
President of Rotary Club of Koilawan West, Rotarian Biju Bashir, chief guest of the day, Rotarian RI Director nominee A.S. Venkatesh, distinguished Rotary leaders, newly inducted member Rotarian Vinod Tara Singh and his spouse Rekha Babu, my dear fellow Rotarians, Rotarians and Annets. Good evening to all. First of all, let me congratulate President Biju Bashir and the entire team for organizing this wonderful Zoom meeting. And you are lucky for having chief guest as our Rotary International Director nominee, A.S. Venkatesh, as chief guest for this meeting. And my dear friends, this Zoom meeting which you have organized today, it is really an inspiration and motivation to all the clubs in our district. A few hours back, 1 or 2 hours back, we had a meeting with the Assistant Governor-elect for the Rotary year 2021.
Yeah.
And we were also discussing about the same thing. As you all know, for the next few months also, we have to follow this kind of induction ceremonies in our district or all over the Rotary world, because we all have to take this opportunity created by COVID for new changes, because Zoom meeting was not known to us. It is all new for us, but now we have adjusted for joining in Zoom meetings. So once again, I congratulate the membership chairman and also the proposer Santosh Kumar and all the entire team for this new member induction function today. Rotarian Vinod Tara Singh, you have joined in a prestigious club in our district, which was started in the New Year Day in the year 1972, and with 42 members. You are the 42nd, am I right? You are the 42nd member of Rotary Club of Koilan West, including 2 lady Rotarians. So it is Rotary's vision. Friends, as you all know, any organization is concerned, membership is the main pillar. Without membership, there is no service project, there is no contribution for TRF, there is no public image. So membership is the main pillar of the Rotary or any organization. So I wish all the best to the new member, and he has a positive, from his acceptance speech, I understand he has a positive attitude to Rotary. And friends, in this time, in this difficult time, when he joins to a Rotary club, then it is for service. നമുക്കറിയാം, നമ്മൾ മുമ്പൊക്കെ നമ്മളെ മെമ്പേഴ്സിനെ അട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത് മീറ്റിങ്ങിൽ, ഫാമിലി മീറ്റിങ്ങിലൊക്കെ വിളിച്ച് 2 ഡ്രിങ്ക് ഒക്കെ കൊടുത്ത് അവരെയൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് വശീകരിച്ച്, ഇതാ നമുക്കിവിടെ ബാറിൽ പോകുന്നതിൽ കുറച്ച് നമുക്ക് ഫെലോഷിപ്പ് നടത്താം എന്നൊക്കെ ഒരു കാര്യം അവർക്ക് തോന്നും. അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ വിചാരിക്കുന്നില്ലേ പോലും. അപ്പൊ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും അങ്ങനെയൊന്നും അല്ലാതെ ഈ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ ഈ നമ്മുടെ റോട്ടറി സെക്രട്ടേറിയറ്റിലേക്ക് വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന വിനോദും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ രേഖയും നിങ്ങളുടെ റോട്ടറി ക്ലബ് ഓഫ് കോയിലോൺ വെസ്റ്റിന് ഒരു വലിയ മുതൽക്കൂട്ടായിരിക്കും. അവർക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും, അതുപോലെ റോട്ടറി ക്ലബ് ഓഫ് കോയിലോൺ വെസ്റ്റിന്റെ ഭാരവാഹികൾക്കും അംഗങ്ങൾക്കും എല്ലാവർക്കും പ്രത്യേകം ആശംസകൾ അർപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഒന്നിച്ച് അടുത്ത വർഷം മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാം. നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും സഹായ സഹകരണങ്ങൾ പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, District Governor-elect Honorable Thomas Bhavani Kunne. Now I request DG ND Rotarian Babu Mohan to come out with the felicitation. DG ND Rotarian K. Babu Mohan.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening, everybody.
Yeah, Rotarian Babu Mohan, please.
Okay. President Rotarian Biju Bashir, District Governor Rotarian Shirish Keshavan, Chief Guest RADN Venkatesh, and my dear brothers and sisters in Rotary. First of all, wholehearted appreciation to Rotarian Vinod Thara Singh and Rotarian and Rahul for the decision to become a Rotarian and the willingness to kind his talent and time to serve the needy by wiping their tears and bringing smiles on their faces. Also, congratulations, President Biju Bashir, Secretary Santosh, PDG Shashikumar, Regent Srinivasan, and Rotary Club of Koilan West team for bringing such a wonderful member to Rotary. I know Rotarian Vinod might have understood that Rotary is an association of like people where they unite and take action to create a lasting change across the globe, communities, and in ourselves. Joining Rotary is a life-changing event as it offers new opportunities for personal, professional connection, strengthen our leadership and other skills, help us to think positively, innovatively, and to serve the needy around us. Rotary gives us the great opportunity try to become a complete man by attaining an equilibrium in family, vocation, and community. So enjoy Rotary, enjoy yourself. എടുത്തൊരു കാര്യം എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്, ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ന് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത വിനോദ് ട്രൂ റൊട്ടേറിയൻ ആണെന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ യാതൊരു സംശയവുമില്ല. പബ്ലിക് ഇമേജ് കണ്ട് മാത്രം റോട്ടറിയിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കടന്നു വന്ന ഒരു മഹൽ വ്യക്തിയാണ് റൊട്ടേറിയൻ വിനോദ് താരാ സിംഗ്. കാര്യം റോട്ടറി ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ വാട്സാപ്പിലൂടെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹം സന്തോഷിനെ വിളിച്ചു, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പ്രസിഡന്റിനെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെട്ടു പറഞ്ഞു, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ പ്രവൃത്തി കണ്ടപ്പോൾ എനിക്കും റോട്ടറിയിൽ മെമ്പറാകണമെന്ന് അതിയായ ആഗ്രഹം, ഞാൻ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എന്ന് ചോദിച്ച് മുന്നോട്ട് വന്നതാണ്. തീർച്ചയായും ഞാൻ ആ ഒരു കാര്യത്തിൽ കൊയിലോൺ വെസ്റ്റ് റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിലെ മുഴുവൻ മെമ്പർമാരെ അഭിനന്ദിക്കുകയാണ്. നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവർത്തനം കണ്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് റൊട്ടേറിയൻസ് വരണം. അതാണ് യഥാർത്ഥ റൊട്ടേറിയൻ. എന്നും ആ റൊട്ടേറിയൻ നമ്മുടെ ക്ലബിൽ നിലനിൽക്കും എന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ യാതൊരു സംശയമില്ല. ഞാൻ സ്പെഷ്യൽ അപ്രീഷിയേഷൻ ടു വിനോദ് ആൻഡ് ഹിസ് ഫാമിലി. Thank you very much.
Thank you, DG Anti-Rotarian K. Babu Mohan. And now next to felicitate is Assistant Governor Rotarian Mohammed Asim. AG Assistant Governor Rotarian Mohammed Asim. Biju. Biju.
One second. There.
In which name?
Sir.
He was there.
Just unmute everybody. I'll unmute.
He can't speak, so he left. His bandwidth is low. His bandwidth is low. He can't speak.
Mohammed Asim.
He told me he is not there. His bandwidth is.
I'll go with the next person. I would request District Membership Development Chairman, Rotarian Dr. Jagan Mohan to felicitate. Rotarian Jagan Mohan, Dr. Jagan Mohan. Jagan Mohan, please wait, I'll unmute you. Yes, Jagan Mohan, please. Yeah. Go ahead.
Respected President Rotarian Biju Bashir, District Governor Rotarian Shirish Keshavan, RID and Rotarian AS Venkatesh Ji, Vice Governor PDG Shashikumar Sir, DG Dr. Thomas Vavani Kunil, DG and Rotarian Srinivasan, DG and Rotarian Babu Mohan, Assistant Governor of the Zone Rotarian Mohammed Asim, Club Membership Chairman Rotarian Leela Krishnan, newly inducted member Rotarian Vinod Singh, Secretary Rotarian Santosh Kumar, and dear friends. I congratulate Rotarian President Biju Bashir and the entire membership team of the club for this virtual induction ceremony. I congratulate Rotarian Vinod Thara Singh for the excellent decision you have made to join Rotary Club. I thank Shashikumar sir, DG and Srinivas and other friends for giving me an opportunity to join this meeting virtually. Wish you all good health. Thank you.
Jojo?
Yes.
One sir.
Shashikumar sir, പറയൂ.
ജോജോ മുഹമ്മദ് അസീമിന്റെ നെറ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് കിട്ടത്തില്ലെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Club Membership Development Chairman. Now, District Membership Development Chairman, Dr. Jagan Mohan, thank you very much. And now I request Club Membership Development Chairman, Dr. Leela Krishnan. Yes.
Good evening, all. President Biju Bashir, Chief Guest, RI Director nominee AS Venkatesh, DG Sirish Keshavan, PDG Shashikumar, DG and Srinivasan, മറ്റ് റോട്ടറി നേതാക്കന്മാരെ, സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, COVID-19 എന്ന മഹാമാരിയുടെ പിടിയിൽപ്പെട്ട് ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സ്തംഭിച്ചു കിടക്കുന്ന ഒരു സമയമാണല്ലോ ഇത്. ഈ ഒരു അവസരത്തിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു സൂം മീറ്റിംഗ് സംഘടിപ്പിച്ചതിലൂടെ പുതിയതായി ഒരു മെമ്പറിനെ ഇൻഡക്ട് ചെയ്തതിലും ക്ലബ് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ബിജു ബഷീറിനെയും മറ്റ് ക്ലബ് ഭാരവാഹികളെയും ഞാൻ ആദ്യമായി അഭിനന്ദിക്കുകയാണ്. പുതിയ മെമ്പറിനെ സ്പോൺസർ ചെയ്ത സെക്രട്ടറി സന്തോഷിനെ ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേകം അഭിനന്ദിക്കുകയാണ്. ക്ലബ് മെമ്പർഷിപ്പ് ചെയർമാൻ എന്ന നിലയിൽ ഈ വർഷത്തെ 4 മെമ്പർമാരെ ഇൻഡക്ട് ചെയ്യുവാൻ കാരണഭൂതനായ പ്രസിഡന്റ് ബിജു ബഷീറിനോടുള്ള നന്ദി ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ ഞാൻ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുകയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് മെമ്പർഷിപ്പ് 6500 ആക്കുക എന്നതിലൂടെ റോട്ടറി ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റിനെ ഇന്ത്യ മഹാരാജ്യത്തെ അംഗസംഖ്യയിൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റ് ആക്കി മാറ്റുക എന്നാണ് നമ്മുടെ DG ശ്രീകേശവന്റെ സ്വപ്നം. അതിനുവേണ്ടി നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റിലെ ഓരോ ക്ലബും 15 മെമ്പർമാരെ ഇൻഡക്ട് ചെയ്യണം എന്നതായിരുന്നു ടാർഗറ്റ്. നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാ മെമ്പർമാരും ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി ഇനിയും ഒന്നുകൂടി ശ്രമിച്ചാൽ ശേഷിക്കുന്ന 40 ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ ടാർഗറ്റ് നേടാം എന്നതാണ് എന്റെ വിശ്വാസം. നമ്മുടെ റോട്ടറി ഓഫ് കൊയിലോൺ വെസ്റ്റ് മറ്റു ക്ലബുകൾക്ക് മാതൃകയാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ഞാൻ ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങളെയൊക്കെ നേരിട്ട് കാണുവാനും നിങ്ങളോടൊപ്പം ഫെലോഷിപ്പ് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുവാനുമുള്ള ആഗ്രഹം എനിക്കുണ്ട്. അതിനുള്ള സാഹചര്യം എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മളുടെയൊക്കെ ഓർമ്മയിൽ ഇന്നുവരെ ഉണ്ടായിട്ടില്ലാത്ത ഒരു കാലഘട്ടത്തിലൂടെയും വളരെ ദുഃഖകരമായ സംഭവ വികാസങ്ങളിലൂടെയുമാണ് നാം കടന്നുപോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ വെല്ലുവിളിയെ നമുക്ക് സധൈര്യം ഏറ്റെടുക്കാം. നമുക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ച് വെല്ലുവിളിയെ അതിജീവിക്കാം. നമ്മുടെ റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുള്ള അദ്ദേഹം കുടുംബത്തെയും ഞാൻ ഈ ക്ലബിലേക്ക് ഹാർദമായി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കുടുംബത്തിനും എല്ലാവിധ ഭാവങ്ങളും നന്മയും ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എന്റെ വാക്കുകൾ ചുരുക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, Club Membership Development Chairman Rotarian Leela Krishnan S. And now I request President-elect Rotarian Lajapati Kannan to felicitate.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Good evening, my dear fellow Rotarians. In spite of the prevailing COVID-19 situation, our President Biju Bashir went ahead to conduct virtual new member induction ceremony through Zoom, eventually adding a new asset to our club. Congrats, President Biju Bashir. Fellow Rotarians, Rotary is the door to friendship. Let us throw it open to everyone, as said by Paul Harris. My dear friends, it is the duty of Rotary Club to add new members from time to time, so that we not only increase our impact and influence as a club, but also to extend the spirit of Rotary throughout the community. So my special appreciation and thanks to Secretary Santosh Kumar, who proposed the new member Vinod Thara Singh for Rotary Club of Koilon West and got inducted in a wonderful manner by distinguished leader, RI Director nominee, AS Venkatesh, and in presence of DG Sirish Keshavan, District Vice Governor PDG KS Shashikumar, DGE Dr. Thomas Bhavani Kunnil, DGN K. Srinivasan, DGND K. Babumon, incoming district membership chairman Dr. Jagan Mohan, and other Rotary leaders. The only insight I would like to give to our new member Vinod Tara Singh is that Rotary is not a club to join, but rather than invitation and endless opportunity. Our next Rotary year theme is itself Rotary Open Opportunities. So from today onwards, let us work together for the betterment of community and heartily welcome you and your family to Rotary Fraternity. With these few words, I wish newly inducted member Rotarian Vinod Tara Singh to enjoy Rotary and friendship and fellowship in the coming days. Thank you.
Thank you, President-elect Rotarian Lajapati Kannan. Moving on to the last item of today's meeting, vote of thanks. President nominee Ram Kumar.
Good evening. Can you hear?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your voice is getting cracked,
Today,
but still we can hear you.
we have witnessed this true Rotary spirit, the virtual induction ceremony, a novel concept to our District 3211, and Rotary Club of Koilwan West is proud to be one of the pioneers in this model. And we thank the District Governor, Sirish Keshavan, for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Our President Biju Bashir truly deserves praise and taking the initiative in organizing this function in a systematic and methodical way. Chief guest for this function, Rotarian A.S. Venkatesh, RI Director nominee, with his presence had added charm and grace to the induction ceremony. His speech was motivating. It was indeed a pleasure to give him his pleasant evening. Sir, I extend my hearty vote of thanks to you. Galaxy of distinguished Rotarians were part of this historical moment in our club's annals. District Governor Sirish Keshavan, past District Governor K. Shashikumar, District Governor-elect Dr. Thomas Bhavani Kunnil, District Governor nominee K. Srinivasan, District Governor nominee designate Babumon, District Membership Chairman Dr. Jagan Mohan, and AG Mohammed Asim. On behalf of all present here, I offer my wholehearted thanks to each one of them for their presence here today and making this function a success. I also offer my welcome and thanks to our newly inducted member, Rotarian Vinod Tara Singh, and wish him fruitful and eventful year as a Rotarian. I also offer my thanks to all my fellow Rotarians for your presence and making this function more meaningful. I would be failing in my duty if I don't mention immense help rendered by our incoming district IT officer, Rotarian Jojo Alex, for the meticulous way the meeting was conducted. Thank you, Jojo Alex. Thanking one and all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, President nominee Ram Kumar, for the vote of thanks. And now finally I request Rotarian President Biju Bashir to adjourn the meeting.
I once more thank Jojo for coordinating this meeting. Thank you. Thank you very much. Meeting is adjourned for fellowship and dinner.
Thank you very much.